Okay, so this is a 68mm bottom bracket, and I'll be installing the Shimano SMBBR60 bottom bracket onto this frame. Before we start, you should make sure that the threads are clean on both sides. There's no dirt or anything, but as this is a new frame, everything is nice and clean. I will then first put a little bit of additional grease on the threads. Although the Shimano bottom bracket does come with grease, it doesn't hurt to put a little bit of extra grease there. This bottom bracket has on the cups it shows you which is the left side and the right side, as well as the direction it should be turned. So the one side is clockwise and the other side is anti-clockwise. So with this you can't really go wrong. The difference in this bottom bracket is the new type, so these cups are also smaller. And Shimano, although it does say on the Chain Reaction website it doesn't come with this, comes with a special tool as an adapter that you slide onto there, which will adapt your old bottom bracket tool to be able to tighten this. Always hand tighten this first to make sure that you're not cross threading the caps into the frame. We'll just tighten them both in like that quickly. Taking note of the direction it should be turned. Once you have hand tightened the bottom bracket and it goes in as far as possible, you will have to install the plastic adapter cup that comes with it into your tool. We'll then tighten the bottom bracket down. Okay, and at the end, don't be shy to tighten this on an aluminium frame. And that's the installation of the bottom bracket. As you can see, with the black caps and the black frame, it's looking sweet.